Hi everyone, thank you for watching Cook in Bread. Today I would like to cook the glutinous rice, 糯米饭. Then we will cut the shallot and set it aside. First, we will dice a garlic, mushroom, Chinese sausage, pork belly and dry shrimp, and we will set aside. But before you dice the pork belly, remove the skin, right, and boil it with the water for about 5 to 7 minutes. For the dry shrimp, soak with the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then it will be easy for you to dice it later. I put the oil into the wok and to fry the shallot with a medium heat. Then we fry it, stir it until it turns golden brown, and we'll take it out and set aside. We will add about 3 tablespoons of oil and fry the shrimp with a medium heat. We will fry still it. You see the bubble. Then we will add in the garlic. We will see the garlic will turn slightly brown. Then we add in the mushroom, pork belly and the Chinese sausage. So we stir fry a while, and we add another 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 teaspoons of spice powder and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We stir fry for a while, right, and then take it out and we'll set aside. Put another 2 tablespoons of oil into the wok. Add in the garlic and we fry for a while. Then we will add in the glutinous rice. Stir fry the glutinous rice and tablespoon of Chinese oil and also 2 tablespoons of premium dark soya sauce. Stir fry it and ensure that all the rice is coated with the dark soya sauce. Then we add in the ingredient and stir fry it and make sure that all are mixed well. After, we will take out the glutinous rice and we will put it on the plate. And we add about 70 to about 100 ml of water and to mix with the rice. And we will steam it in about 45 minutes. If you want the glutinous rice to be more sticky, you can actually add more water into the rice. When it is done, put some of the fried shallot and spring onion on top of it. And it's ready to be served.